Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am come up with an unboxing video of history optional books that I recently purchased it from Amazon. If you want to buy these books, I will provide the link in the description box. You can check it from there. I already opened one package because इसके साथ writing pad भी आ गया था, so I already opened it to check whether the writing pad has any damage or not. If there is any damage, I want to return it. This is that package, but I didn't let you see the books. You can see from my previous study vlog. And इस पैकेज पर 2 बुक्स आ गया था. One is from Plastic to Partition, Modern India book by Shekhar Bandyopal. I ordered this books according to the book list of IAS Abinav Praksh Sir. He was one of the history optional topper. He got rank 274 and got 304 marks in the history optional. Sir has a YouTube channel in his name, IAS Abinav Praksh. So in his channel he detailedly explained all the book list he followed for the history optional. So I ordered these books according to his book list. And the second one is map entry book for history optional by Rashid Yazin Sir. This book is very useful for securing that 15 marks. Very good books. Every toppers has recommended this book for practicing the map entries. So I bought these books. Its cost is around 275, but you will get it for a discount in online store, and it was the third edition. And it have 2013 to 2021 previous year solved question paper. Totally, I ordered 6 books, but only 5 came because one's delivery date is 25th January, so I can't wait that long. That book is history optional, modern and world history previous year questions by Rashid Yazin sir. So it is arriving on the 25th January, so I can't wait that longer to open these books, because if there is any damage I want to return earlier as possible. So I'm going to open these books now and showing to you. If that book come, I will show it in my study vlog.